This video will show you how to create multiple profiles in Google Chrome. This will help you switch between users much easier using applications like ClassLink. To begin, we go up to the top corner where we see this little person icon. If you are signed in to a Gmail account, it might show your picture or another icon there, but we click on this icon. Down at the bottom, we're able to add other profiles, and we can see the profiles that are currently added to this computer. Guest is default, it will always be there, but we can add a new one. So we can click Add, it brings up this pop-up, and we want to continue without an account. If your child does have a Gmail account already, you can sign in with that. However, I recommend clicking Continue without an account. We would add their name, as well as we can choose a theme color for them. Next, we click Done. We can switch between profiles here. If I want to go back to my original one, I can click here, or if I want to go back to the one I just created, I just click on the name. One thing we will have to do is log in and also enable the extension for ClassLink. To do that, we want to go to ClassLink. The easiest way to go to ClassLink to start, if you don't have it already bookmarked, is just to go to rcoa.ca, and once we are in there, at the top corner we have the little cloud icon we can click on to get to ClassLink. Then, as a parent, if we are a parent, we log in using the information in Otis on the top and click Sign In. But if we're wanting to log in as one of our children, we click Sign In with Microsoft. We then put in the email and password as located in Otis. Once you've logged into ClassLink, you will need to install the extension. The easiest way to do this is to click on Sora. Sora will try to open, but realize it doesn't have the extension, so we want to install extension. We will then go to the Google Chrome store where we can add the extension. Before we do this, if we are adding multiple children, we'll want to copy this link. And then we can add to Chrome. And we want to add extension. And it is now completed. Next, we want to go to another profile that is not quite set up yet, and we will want to paste that link in to the extension, and we want to add that to Chrome as well. Next, we'll log into ClassLink from the other account with the different students' user and password. So sign in with Microsoft, and then the login information for that child. Now that we've logged into ClassLink from our different profiles, you see I have one profile here, and if I click on the other user, I have their profile right here. So each student can have their own profile and be logged into it. This works really well for Google Chrome. There are ways to do this on Firefox, Edge, and Safari, but the process is slightly different. I would recommend Google Chrome for this process.